Today it's Martin from Australia Towbars Performance. Today I've been working on a brand new 2019 Skoda Superb wagon where we've installed a Westfalia detachable and removable, quick release removable, invisible tow bar. As you can see, the bumper is not damaged and there's no cutting of the bumper. The tow bar is invisible when detached. What we need to do, if we want to attach it into the car, plug it in. You can do it with one hand, and the tow bar is back attached to the vehicle. This particular client wanted a 7-pin flat plug, which we've mounted to the side of the diffuser. They also come with the 13-pin factory plug and tow module, as well as 7-pin round factory tow module, and then they get hidden inside the bumper, so they are invisible as well. 7-pin flat one is visible just on the diffuser side. And that tow bar is a Westfalia tow bar done by Australia Towbars and Performance on the Sunshine Coast. If you need a tow bar on your Skoda Superb, any other European or Australian vehicle, we are here to help. Call our friendly team on 07 5479 5555. Many thanks. Bye.